Hi, and welcome to How to Sew. If you like this video, show it by giving a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe. In this video, I am making a sweater. If you have any tips, please let me know in the comment section. Let's start with the tools I'm using. I use a cutter, pins, and clips, and of course we need the fabric. For this sweater, I chose the French terry fabric. It is a fabric that is well suited for sweaters and sweatpants. When I work with stretchy fabrics, I don't stretch or pull the fabric while I'm sewing. It will make the seams wavy. I like to help the sewing machine by feeding it fabric. Now I'm cutting the front and back piece. Then I cut out the sleeves. Cut out rib for the neck, waist, and sleeves. Now I'm placing the front and back piece together. I apply clips on the shoulders. I use glue before while I'm applying the clips. It stabilizes the pieces. Sew the shoulder seams. Get ready to sew on the sleeves. I cut a small notch so I can see where the middle is. The notch should lay next to the shoulder seam. Then I apply clips. Sew on both sleeves. This can be a bit difficult, so make sure that the fabric doesn't get stuck under the pressing foot. Prepare the side seams with clips from the end of the sleeve and all the way down. Sew the side seam on both sides. Fold the neck and sleeve rib double and apply clips. Sew the side on the sleeve, neck, and waist rib. Fold the neck rib double and place it in the neck opening. Use clips and remember to include all 3 layers. Lay the rib double and place in the opening. Use clips to attach it. Sew rib on both sleeves. Sew on while gently stretching the rib. Repeat with the waist rib. Be aware of the seam we made on the rib. I always make the seam to match the side seam or any other places that make it blend in or invisible. Fasten all the threads and you are done with your sweater. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go to our channel to see more videos like this. See you next time!